Guys, I eat this, but tired. I'm not so tired. I mean, I am drained. I'm not energy left in my body now. So I'm just gonna remove these. See that soft? Smoke about me in my eye now. Smoke about me. You guys can have this one. And drop it. Piece here probably could have gone a little bit more, but if anything, we'll leave that piece on the grill. Because I have to take off these now because the yam ready. I don't want it burn them. I'll leave out the next piece will go on, jerk, and cook some more. So that's my yam and the plantain. If you guys don't hear back from me, have a good evening and take care. Bye. That roaster.